Alchemy Tea Tree Facial Cream gently cares for normal, oily, sensitive, and blemished skin. The tea tree oil infused recipe helps prevent damage caused by blemishes and skin irritation. Thanks to vitamin B5, Alchemy Facial Cream protects skin's natural moisture, leaving skin looking healthy and beautiful. Alchemy tea tree products are specifically designed to go together, and holistically covers all your skincare needs. For best results, use with Alchemy Tea Tree Facial Wash and Alchemy Tea Tree Facial Toner. Buy 2 or 3 items and enjoy. All Alchemy Tea Tree products contain genuine Australian tea tree oil in pharmaceutical quality. Australian tea tree oil, otherwise known as Australia's green gold, has fascinated people for centuries due to its remarkable healing powers. For years, people have used tea tree oil to help with skin ailments from acne to psoriasis. Established 47 years ago, Alchemy has stood for nature, tradition, and credibility. Our Alchemy tea tree oil is an all-natural and pharmaceutical quality essential oil which guarantees high product effectiveness and offers you one solution for any problem, head to toe. Sorel Care Customer Service Promise: we are passionate about providing our customers with high-quality, ethically made products that work. If you're not 100% satisfied with your purchase, we encourage you to contact us directly and we will do our best to ensure that your buyer experience is a positive and lasting one. The Alchemy tea tree oil is produced through steam distillation of leaves and tips of twigs and is a pure and natural product that has been blended throughout the entire Alchemy tea tree line. We understand everyone has their own scent preferences. If you would like to enjoy the benefits of Alchemy's tea tree oil, we suggest adding a couple drops of lavender oil or peppermint oil to the product to dilute the tea tree scent. Made in Germany, imported from Germany and established 47 years ago, Alchemy has stood for nature, tradition, and credibility. All Alchemy tea tree oil infused products contain genuine Australian tea tree oil in pharmaceutical quality. Mildly scented, this mattifying and balancing cream is mild and fresh scented, providing you with nourished, glowing skin. When used daily, this renewing cream removes impurities while soothing and healing blemished and irritated skin, without overdrying. For all skin types, this healing face cream is infused with high-quality tea tree oil which is well tolerated by the skin, thus naturally disinfecting and moisturizing all skin types such as normal, oily, sensitive, and combination skin. If you have extremely oily skin, we recommend using this cream once a day, preferably at night, using a pea-sized amount to effectively minimize pores, hydrate, and prevent future breakouts. Vegan Paraben free all-natural tea tree oil. This innovative skincare line is made with all-natural tea tree oil and is vegan, cruelty-free, and paraben-free, which guarantees high product effectiveness that is good for you and the earth. Offering you one get more info, please click link in below description and 50% discount offer available. This product, please subscribe this channel, get update more videos.